In Celebration, homes are more than just buildings, they're reflections of the community's charm, elegance, and sense of comfort. Whether you live in one of the neighborhood's traditional cottages or modern estates, your doors play a vital role in maintaining that balance between style, comfort, and security. Over time, even the most beautiful doors begin to show signs of wear, from faded finishes to weakened seals and outdated locking systems. When that happens, a professional door replacement offers more than just a cosmetic upgrade. It's an investment in your home's beauty, efficiency, and protection. And in Celebration, local experts provide the personalized service and craftsmanship that ensure lasting results. The value of local expertise. Choosing local professionals for your door replacement in Celebration means working with experts who understand the area's architecture, climate, and lifestyle. Celebration's homes feature a mix of traditional and contemporary designs, each requiring a tailored approach to door selection and installation. Local specialists know how to match materials and styles to your home's unique character, whether it's a colonial-style front entryway, a French patio door, or a modern glass slider that connects indoor and outdoor spaces seamlessly. They also understand Central Florida's warm, humid weather and can recommend doors designed to resist swelling, warping, and fading, ensuring long-lasting performance even in the Sunshine State's challenging conditions. Elevate your home's style and curb appeal. Your entry door is one of the first things guests and neighbors notice. A door replacement can instantly refresh your home's exterior and reflect your personal taste. Local professionals can guide you through a variety of styles, materials, and finishes that fit Celebration's aesthetic perfectly. From elegant wood-grain fiberglass doors that mimic natural beauty without the maintenance to sleek steel or glass designs that bring a modern edge, there's an option for every taste. They'll help you find the right balance between style and practicality, ensuring your new door complements your home's design while improving performance and durability. A new, well-chosen door not only enhances curb appeal but also creates a welcoming entrance that reflects the warmth and personality of your home. Improved comfort and energy efficiency. Florida's heat and humidity can take a toll on your home's comfort. Older doors often develop gaps or worn seals that allow drafts and warm air to seep in, forcing your air conditioner to work harder. Modern replacement doors are built with energy-efficient insulation and tight weather stripping to keep your indoor environment comfortable year-round. By choosing energy-rated doors, Celebration homeowners can enjoy lower utility bills and a more consistent indoor temperature, all while reducing their environmental footprint. Local installers ensure that your new door fits precisely, sealing out unwanted air and moisture. The result is a home that feels cooler in the summer, cozier in the winter, and far more energy efficient overall. Enhancing security for peace of mind. While Celebration is known for its welcoming atmosphere, home security remains a top priority for any homeowner. Modern door replacements come equipped with advanced locking systems, reinforced cores, and impact-resistant materials designed to protect your home from both intruders and severe weather. Local experts can recommend doors that meet Florida's safety and hurricane standards, ensuring your home stays secure during seasonal storms. With options like multi-point locks, steel reinforcements, and impact-rated glass panels, you'll gain both confidence and comfort knowing your family is well protected. Professional installation for lasting results. Even the highest quality door can underperform if not installed properly. That's why professional installation from Celebration's local experts makes all the difference. They take precise measurements, ensure perfect alignment, and use industry-leading techniques to achieve a flawless fit. This attention to detail not only maximizes performance but also extends the lifespan of your door, giving you years of reliable operation and minimal maintenance. Plus, working with local professionals means you'll receive responsive service and ongoing support long after installation is complete. Should you need adjustments or maintenance, your trusted experts are right in the neighborhood. Final thoughts. In Celebration, where timeless beauty and community pride define every street, door replacement is more than a home improvement project. It's a way to elevate your home's comfort, style, and security. By working with local experts, you'll benefit from craftsmanship tailored to the area's architecture and climate, ensuring your new doors perform beautifully and stand the test of time. Whether you're upgrading for energy efficiency, curb appeal, or peace of mind, professional door replacement in Celebration transforms your home from the outside in, blending elegance, durability, and the personalized service that only local expertise can deliver.